In this video, we will go through the fundamental ideas of DeFi. Before we begin, we will be giving away 700 XRP on September 31st. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment saying, Bitcoin to the moon. Introduction. You've probably heard about DeFi by now. It's a hot new trend in the crypto world, and for good reason. DeFi, which stands for Definitive Agreements, is a type of smart contract that allows you to trade assets without relying on a third party. This makes it more secure and efficient than traditional methods. In this article, we'll give you a basic rundown of what DeFi is and 10 reasons why it's the wave of the future for crypto. What is DeFi? So, what is DeFi? In simple terms, DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. It's an umbrella term for a whole host of financial products that are built on the blockchain. These products include derivatives, prediction markets, and stablecoins. What makes DeFi so revolutionary is that it allows people to interact with the financial world in a completely new way. Transactions are instantaneous, and there's no need for a middleman. This makes it a more secure, efficient, and cheaper way to do business. What are the benefits of DeFi? There are a lot of benefits to using DeFi. Let's take a look at some of the key advantages. 1. You can get instant gratification. With DeFi, you don't have to wait for someone to trust you with their money and then wait for them to send you the Bitcoin. You can get your tokens right away. 2. There's no middleman. When you use DeFi, there's no need for a third party. The entire transaction happens directly between you and the other person. 3. You're in control. Unlike with traditional banking systems, you're in charge of your own finances when you use DeFi. You're not at the mercy of a bank or institution that might not have your best interests at heart. 4. Transactions are transparent. Everyone involved in a DeFi transaction can see what's going on, which helps to build trust between participants. 5. DeFi is global. You can use DeFi anywhere in the world, regardless of your location. There are many more benefits to using DeFi. These are just a few of the key advantages. If you're looking for a more secure, transparent and efficient way to do crypto transactions, then DeFi is definitely the way to go. Why is DeFi the wave of the future for crypto? So what are the benefits of using a decentralized finance protocol? Here are 10 reasons why. 1. You're in control of your own funds. You don't need to rely on a third party to hold or manage your money. 2. Transactions are fast and easy. You can send and receive payments in just a few seconds. 3. You're always up to date on your finances. You can see all of your transactions in real time. 4. You can use any wallet or app you want. There's no need to be locked into a specific platform. 5. You're always backed up by the blockchain. Your funds are safe and secure, no matter what happens. 6. You can use DeFi for any purpose you want, whether it's paying bills, sending money to friends, or buying goods and services online. 7. You can keep your funds in any currency you like. DeFi supports dozens of different currencies, so you can use the one that's best for you. 8. Fees are low and transparent. You know exactly how much you're paying and there's no hidden charges or surprises. 9. DeFi is global and open to everyone. There's no restrictions or limitations on who can use it. 10. DeFi is the future of finance. It's faster, more secure and more user-friendly than anything that's come before it. How can I get involved in DeFi? You're probably wondering how you can get involved in DeFi. The good news is that it's not as difficult as you might think. Here are a few ways to get started. 1. Download a DeFi platform like DYDX or Augur. 2. Create an account and start trading. 3. Join a DeFi community and learn from others. 4. Start building your own DeFi products. 5. Experiment with DeFi and see what works best for you. 6. Stay up to date with the latest news and trends. 7. Attend a DeFi conference or meetup. 8. Connect with other developers and create prototypes. 9. Keep learning and expanding your knowledge base. 10. Have fun and enjoy the ride. What are the risks of DeFi? So what are the risks of DeFi? First and foremost, DeFi is still in its early days, so there's no guarantee that it will be successful. Second, there's always the risk of something going wrong with the infrastructure or the code. Third, there's a risk that participants in a DeFi contract could collude to game the system. And finally, there's the risk that DeFi could simply be replaced by something better or that the whole thing could fall apart. But despite these risks, I still think that DeFi is one of the most exciting things to happen to crypto in a long time, and I can't wait to see what comes next. What are the best DeFi projects? You may be wondering what the best DeFi projects are. Well, here's a list to get you started. 1. Augur is a decentralized platform for prediction markets. 2. Dharma is a protocol for decentralized lending. 3. Maker is a decentralized stablecoin project. 4. 0x is a protocol for decentralized exchanges. 5. District 0x is a platform for decentralized marketplaces and communities. 6. Ripio Credit Network is a global credit network based on blockchain technology. 7. Set Protocol is an open protocol for managing and exchanging tokenized assets. 8. SIA is a blockchain-based storage platform. 9. Storage is a decentralized cloud storage platform. 10. BitShares is a decentralized financial platform with its own digital currency, BitShares, BTS. What is yield farming? When it comes to yield farming, think of it as a way to increase your profits on a regular basis. With yield farming, you're essentially lending money to others and collecting interest payments in return. It's a great way to generate passive income, and there are a number of platforms that offer yield farming products. DeFi is one of those platforms, and it's quickly becoming one of the most popular options out there. So why is DeFi so popular? It's because the platform offers a wide range of products that you can invest in, including loans, insurance contracts, and more. And because DeFi is built on the blockchain, you can be sure that your money is safe and secure. What are liquidity pools? You've probably heard the term liquidity before, but you might not know exactly what it means. In the world of crypto, liquidity is key. Liquidity is all about having a large enough pool of assets to support trades. When you have a liquid asset, you can buy and sell it quickly and without affecting the price. There are a few different types of liquidity pools, but the most common is the order book. An order book is a list of buy and sell orders that are placed by traders. When there's enough liquidity in the market, the order book will be filled with orders, and buyers and sellers will be able to trade at the market price. What is a flash loan? A flash loan is a short-term loan that's provided by a DeFi provider. They're typically used to cover expenses that are unexpected and arise suddenly, like medical bills or car repairs. The thing to know about flash loans is that they're not meant to be a long-term solution. They're designed to help you get through a tough spot, and once you've paid the loan back, you're free and clear. So if you're thinking about taking out a flash loan, make sure you understand the terms and conditions, and be sure to pay it back as quickly as possible. How can I learn more about DeFi? So, you want to know more about DeFi? Here are some great resources to get you started. The DeFi Reddit page is a great place to start. You can find a ton of information on DeFi there, as well as get advice from other users. If you're looking for a more formal introduction to DeFi, check out this article from CoinDesk. It's a comprehensive overview of the concept, and it's written by some of the top experts in the field. And finally, if you're ready to dive in and start using DeFi yourself, then head over to the Decentralized Finance App Store. There you'll find a wide range of apps that let you do everything from trading cryptocurrencies to borrowing money. Conclusion. You may have heard about DeFi, deferred payments, in the crypto world, and you're probably wondering what all the fuss is about. Well, DeFi is quickly becoming the future of crypto. Here are 10 reasons why. 1. DeFi allows for real-time payments and interactions. 2. DeFi makes it easier to participate in multiple contracts at the same time. 3. DeFi contracts are easily manageable and scalable. 4. DeFi offers more security than traditional financial systems. 5. The DeFi infrastructure is more reliable and efficient than traditional systems. 6. DeFi contracts are self-executing, meaning that they automatically enforce the terms of the contract without the need for third-party oversight. 7. The DeFi protocol is transparent and can be audited by anyone at any time. 8. The DEFI protocol is decentralized, meaning that no one person or organization controls it. 9. The DEFI protocol is fast and efficient, making it perfect for real-time applications. 10. The DEFI protocol is open source, meaning that it can be modified and improved by anyone who wants to contribute.